Hughes is getting closer, and this is what it looks like. The survival on the mid-intensity battlefield is performance, agility, and reduced vulnerability. Nap-of-the-earth flight is essential. To unmask, locate and engage targets rapidly, and remask will determine ultimate mission success. A small, highly maneuverable helicopter is best suited to these tasks. The Hughes YAH-64 brings together in a single advanced system the benefits of 30 years of aircraft and ordnance experience. The design is virtually complete. The engineering mock-up has been used throughout the program for design verification, designed to unit cost and user suitability factors. Here are examples of our work progress. At Teledyne Ryan in San Diego, California, fabrication of the ground test vehicles and flight test aircraft is underway. Ground and flight tests will be conducted at the Hughes Palomar facility, located just north of San Diego. The main rotor assembly will undergo extensive dynamic testing in this 20 by 20 foot test race. This scale model illustrates the forces the rotor system will experience in flight. Dynamic balancing of the AH drive shafts represents a technology breakthrough. The shaft is balanced by applying continuous tape along the longitudinal axis, producing a balance superior to any previous technique. A new rotor blade concept, bolting design and fabrication is under construction here at Advanced Structures Division of Tool Research and Engineering. The blade balancing machine is completed and in place, and all tooling for the full-scale blades is nearing completion. Our continuing work at Hughes on advanced aerial scout prototypes has demonstrated the growth capabilities in the Hughes design approach and provided major technical stepping stones to the AH. This advanced forward-looking more than 1,000 hours of night operational nap-of-the-earth flight in an OH-6. The FLIR for the AAH will furnish even better quality and performance. Hughes is the only helicopter manufacturer in the world with an in-house ordnance capability. The XM-230 is being developed by Hughes for the YAH-64. The chain gun has fired in excess of 20,000 rounds and is firing at the design rate of over 600 shots per minute. Ease of air transportability in the C-141 ensures that our AH will accompany the troops in the initial engagement, and our emphasis on reliability and maintainability will assure that the AAH will live in the field with the frontline units it supports. The Hughes AAH team will give the Army the most combat-capable advanced attack helicopter at lowest cost. Hughes AAH.